So I think the most fundamental issue is a really, really robust prevention program, one that starts with our children. Once you're addicted, it's extremely difficult, it's extremely expensive, and it takes, in some cases, many attempts to clean yourself up and find your way into treatment and to become a recovering addict. That expense is seen, it's filtered throughout our budget, it's filtered throughout our state in terms of the pressures on health care, the pressures on our children. DCYF, if you've been reading in the papers, simply cannot keep up with the caseload. Much of this is driven by substance abuse and the fact that parents cannot be parents, so the state must step in. I believe that prevention at an early age, at kindergarten, all the way through school, community outreach, more money to go to our prevention coalitions. We have a very robust network of prevention coalitions. I'm part of the Newport County Coalition. Every town in the state is doing something, and most of it's volunteer. There is almost no state money invested into prevention. What the state does is divvy up the federal grants that come through yearly, and that's through the Department of Behavioral Health and hospitals. We need our own money. We need our own skin in the game in this state. There are a couple of bills that have been in the General Assembly that we're trying to pass. So, Representative Canario mentioned one. We're adding a fee onto the DUI charge sheet. Right now, if you go through that process, if you're unfortunate enough to go through that process, there are lots of fees you pay. And we're looking to add an additional one that would take $300 from every DUI or every refusal to take the test and send that right to BHDDH so they could reallocate it through the prevention coalitions to give them more resources to reach out and touch each individual community. I can think of no better way than to get direct support in our schools, working with our parents and our teachers in every community, and all that we're needing right now is enough money to do a better job of that, to make sure that our school children are getting the message that that's a path you don't want to go down. And if we can get good at that, we're less than a generation away from a fix. And that's my passion. That's what I've been chasing for the past 2 years.
Thank you, Joe.